Chug it. No, don't.
God almighty, dude.
Oh, chug it. I chugged this
No,
right now.
don't. That's Daddy's.
Hey, no.
I know one thing. I'm fucking hungry. But if you don't fucking hurry up and decide to go get food, I might get drunk.
Shawty pride shot. Oh shit. Kick ass is a good one too. Yeah, right. What about Napoleon Dynamite? You ever seen that? Oh. Excuse me.
Right, how y'all hate it? Motherfucker, 90% of the heck it was DeLorean.
What the hell? Oh, fuck.
Excuse me. What do we know?
He's a jack of all trades.
I'm burping. Watch the snipe. Watch the snipe.
Excuse me.
On the profile picture? On yours? Whatever that means, I need a charge. I need to clean up around that state. I need to call DOT and complain. The Virginia back roads are bad. Alright, I'll let y'all. I'm gonna have a...
Oh, he's fucked. Thank you, Phoebe. Bears.
Some damn Chick-fil-A. That's what I'm about to go do. What's up, baby?
Excuse me. Oh, Bailey's too satisfied with her, like, 15.
A relationship.
One is for sure. Or
You're really gonna take that personally?
JK.
You're so defensive.
This is bros. This is for the bros for real. Haha, phone God.
Guys, can we get a...
little bit about myself. Sorry. My government name is actually